You're watching Dancehall and News TV. This one is about Vybz Kartel and the gay community using his music in a gay music video. And now the story. Vybz Kartel is turning in his prison cell right now. Noisy has released an unofficial music video for Vybz Kartel's single Beautiful Girl using gays in Kingston. According to Noisy, they created the video as part of their new documentary about homosexuals living in the Kingston sewer system. While making a documentary on the Gully Queens of New Kingston, a growing community of gay and transgender youth living in the Jamaican capital's storm drain system on Trafalgar Road, we met people that had been driven below the depths of the city by desperation. This unique community has found solace in the lyrics of street life and struggle of the recently incarcerated singer Vybz Kartel, a national hero of sorts and considered the voice of the Jamaican ghetto by many. The music video shows members of the growing gay community getting dressed and putting on their makeups to venture out into the New Kingston nightlife. Reps for Vybz Kartel said the DJ is not happy about the video and will be instructed his lawyers to take action. This is not an official video and Kartel is distancing himself from it, his rep told us. He has already instructed his lawyer to take the necessary action to protect his image, the rep added. Vybz Kartel, born Adidja Palmer, is currently serving a life sentence in a maximum security prison in Jamaica for murder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until the next video, dogs that bark a lot don't bite because empty barrels make the most noise. I'm out.